Okay, today we're going to do a tutorial for a one-handed riffle shuffle. The one-handed riffle shuffle looks like this. Okay, here's how you do it. First thing is you've got to have the right cards. These are Theory 11 Monarchs. These work great. Bicycles work great. I think Bicycle makes Theory 11. I don't know that any card that works for this. So you need to have Bicycles or Theory 11s as far as I know. Maybe something else works. So when you first get the cards, they won't do this right out of the box both ways. So when you first get the cards, they'll only do this in one direction, either face up or face down. And I don't remember which it is, but I think the way you find out is this. If you can do the Pharaoh, which is this, two halves, and you just push them together, you need to be able to know how to do the Pharaoh, okay? And if your cards will do the Pharaoh both ways, face up and face down, then you can do the one-hand shuffle, face up or face down. When you first get your cards out of the box, though, they will only Pharaoh one direction until they're broken in. And when you figure out which way that is, when you do the one-hand shuffle, it will be the opposite. So if they'll Pharaoh face up, then you have to do the one-hand shuffle face down until they're broken in. Okay, first step, hold the cards like this. Index finger, two fingers, pinky, thumb. Okay, index finger breaks the deck. Okay, index finger grabs the bottom half. And then this is the move. Index finger has to quickly take that and create two halves. And then push them together, just like you're doing a Pharaoh. There you go. Okay, one more time. Break with the index finger. And then slide the two halves. The index finger breaks the two apart. And then with your index finger, this back here moves into your thumb, puts the pressure to put the two together, just like a Pharaoh, and you're good. Okay, whole thing one more time, just look like this. There you go.